Alright guys, if you guys are interested in chrome or watching wheels get chromed out, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you guys a quick tutorial. Today, I'll be polishing rims for a Toyota. And these rims ain't that bad, so I'll be doing a quick hyperlapse and a smooth 400 grit, smooth it all out, and then I'll be ready to polish. I'll use compound with white compound, red compound. I'll put it on the buffer and I just buff it onto insurance chrome and a mirror chrome. And I've been doing this for 14 years, so I kind of know the feel. I do it for work, but now I do it for side job hobbies, and this is what I'm showing you guys. And this is the finishing touch for the first rim. Looks like chrome. Pretty cool, right? And let's go wrap this baby up. Put it in a box, bubble wrap it, and on to the next. Now let's check these rims out. These rims are, nah, they ain't that bad. They look like just have like calcium buildup from rain, being still for a while or something. So I'm just gonna use a light grit of 400. You can use 600, 400. Just take off the light material off, to make it nice and smooth, and then you'll be having it ready to buff. It takes time. I'll say all this takes like, each rim will take like 40 minutes, 30 minutes. And this is the part you like smooth it all out, And then after that, polish. Compound, same thing. White, green, red, whatever you like to use. Now these rims here are all busted up. That curb right there, a little damage right there. And then probably another little spot right here, and then a little damage right there too. So let's work on this one. This one I'll probably use like a grit, a little stronger grit to fix all that. Probably like a 240 because it's aluminum. And then I'll go back to 400, smoothing everything out, and then I'll be ready to polish and use the buffer. But it looks quick and easy, but trust me, you sweat, especially wearing the suit and the N95s, headgear, the earpiece, the gloves, you start to sweat. But if you guys like the video, let me know, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I'll be glad to make more videos. And I am gonna post more videos even if I don't get no subscribers, but I'm just doing this for fun and I like it. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at Chrome Polisher. And right now I'm polishing these center caps, and these center caps you have to be really gentle because if they're like a sheet of aluminum, and if you go really eat too much material, you'll eat up till you get to the plastic, and then or if you eat too much, you'll leave like a little hole, and then when you go use a buffer, the heat from the buffer will make a little larger hole, and then you're done. You can't weld it because it's plastic, And this is our wash tank, and this is basically our soap and water, which just washes the compound much faster. And basically it's what we do when we finish our last job. Well, you guys can be the judge and let me know how the rims came out. Well, I'm about to wrap these bad boys up, put them in the box, return it to the customer. Hope he likes it. Hope you guys like the video. Subscribe and hit that bell if you're interested in my future videos. Let's go. And I don't know, maybe in my next video I think I'll probably put some bumpers, see what I got on the list of side jobs I gotta do. But subscribe, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Peace. Bye.